So these are the vertices of a triangle. So suppose, without making the coordinates plain, just suppose that, this point is right here. This is negative 2, 6. And then this point is right here, negative 3, 5, negative 5. And then this point is right here. So then you have a triangle. You have a triangle like that. So you have a triangle like that. And then you're just going to compute the sides of the triangle. So when you compute the sides, then you will be able to know the length, and then you can add all the lengths together to find a perimeter, because perimeter is just the sum of 3 sides of this triangle. So I'm just going to compute each length. Okay, so I'm just going to call this A, call this B, call this C. Okay, and we can do that by using the distance formula. So I'm just going to find, let's say, distance AC. Distance AC is going to be square root of, so I'm going to use the distance formula here. So this is like x1, this is y1, this is x2, y2. So the distance formula is this. Distance is square root of x1 minus x2 squared plus y1 minus y2 squared. So using this formula, we'll have negative 3, negative 2 squared, and then plus negative 5, negative 2 squared, which is negative 5 squared, that's 25, and this one is negative 7, 49. So if you add these two numbers, you're going to get 74. So this is square root of 74. That's AC. And then similarly find BC. So now you can call this one x1, y1. So that will be square root of negative 2, negative 2 squared plus 6 minus 2 squared, which is square root of negative 4 squared is 16, and this is 4 plus another 16, that's square root of 32. And then lastly, we can find the distance AB, which is also square root of, and now you can call this x2, y2. So that's negative 2, negative 3, that's plus 3 squared, and then x minus 5, that will turn into positive 5 squared. And this is 1 squared, that's 1. This is 11 squared, that's 121. So then this is square root of 122. Okay, let me place each of this. So this is square root of 74, this distance. And then BC is square root of 32. And then AB is square root of 122. Now, the perimeter of the triangle, so the perimeter is just going to be the sum of these 3 numbers, which is root 74 plus root 32 and plus 120. So you can put it like this, or if you need some type of approximation, you can use your calculator to compute each of this number and add it, and then approximate it the way that you need. Okay, so but this is basically the main idea.